So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can design your own custom PCB and also how you order your own custom PCB through online sites. So let's get started.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
For the PCB design we need a software called DeepTrace, which I'll put the link in the description below. So I already installed the software. So first go to your browser and search DeepTrace or deeptrace.com. I'll put the link in the description below, so you guys please check my description. So here you find the link. So click on downloads. So here, as you can see, there are many options of download. So download as per your system. So I have the system of 64-bit. So I downloaded the 64-bit software. So after downloading so now open the DeepTrace folder in your all program section. And so as you can see, I need the PCB layout software. So open the PCB layout software, and today we're going to design a very simple circuit which you guys know about it. A bridge rectifier, sorry, a rectifier circuit. So what is the function of rectifier circuit is to convert AC current to DC current. So as you guys know that DC current is the most used current in electronic component or electronic circuit. So this is very necessary to run an electronic circuit. So I'm taking the components. Capacitor, we need 2 capacitor, 4 diodes, 1 load resistor of half watt, and inductor. So let me just select the components. Now I will show you the 3D preview of this circuit. So just click on 3D. Okay. So this is the 3D preview of the circuit. Now we need to export our required files, and simply click on file, then go to export, click on export, and then you can see option called Gerber. Just click on that option, Gerber, and here you select a folder. First of all, you need to select a folder or create a new one. Here I am creating a new folder. So give any name. So here I am giving reach rack. Okay, then just click on export all and save to all. So we export our Gerber file. So if you want to see the preview of this single file, so just click on that file name and click on preview. So next we need another file which is called nc drill. So same, just go to file, click on export and nc drill and export. A message will pop up, just say yes or click to yes, and then save on the same file. So now we have done with the software and the export process. So now go to that file location. Now we have to create a zip file of that file. So if you guys know how to create a zip file, just I'm searching for that file. So yeah. So now we need a zip file of this folder. Just go send to and compressed zip folder. Yeah, that's it. So now open your browser. So let me just connect to my Wi-Fi. So now I'm opening my browser. Chrome, yeah. Okay. So now here I'm going with JLC PCB. So JLC PCB is very good as compared to PCBOA. So type jlcpcb.com or search in Google. So here it says prototype PC for $2. Yes, wow. Prototype PC it cost for only $2, and it also requires shipping charges as extra. So if you are living in India, so you may cost around $7 to $6 for registered mail and $23 for DHL. DHL is very first, gives you the first delivery option from China to India. So it will deliver you 7 days. And you first of all need to register in this website. I already registered, so I'm not showing you how to register. Or so now let's get back to our work. So click on. So as you can see, then this is the menu option. Or just simply click on quit now. And here you can see the add Gerber file. So click on that and search. So I'm searching for the file, zip file. Here is the beach rack zip file. So just upload it. Now, as a side, you can see the cost of the PCB build. So our file is successfully uploaded on the website. So this is our file. This is our file which we created in the DeepTrace software. So now here for, as you can see, so I'm old user, so it shows me around $4 for 5 PCB. But in this price, shipping charge is not included. It may around $10 for 5 PCB. Yeah. So if you are a new user, then you have to pay only around $8, $6 to $8. Yeah. As you can see, the second one is my previous PCB. And this is the first one which I uploaded right now. Just click on checkout securely. Yeah, this is the page, customer information. In this section you have to fill your shipping address, and next shipping method. So as I told you that DHL costs for $23, and register air mail cost you for around $6 to $7. So I'm using the registered mail. So just click on the registered mail. Yeah. And you have two payment options. One, you can use your credit card or debit card, or you can use PayPal. So I'll recommend you to go through the PayPal option. So as you guys know, in India PayPal is now available. So make an account there and use PayPal for the online transactions. And you can also use your international debit card or credit cards. So it is up to you.